In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Twitter account. Keep in mind, it's actually also the same process on your cell phone. From the top left, you're going to come down to this More button here. Click on it, go to Settings and Support, go to Settings and Privacy, and then from here, come down to deactivate your account. Keep in mind a few things before you deactivate or delete your account. They give you a few warning tips. You can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after you deactivate it. Some account information may still be available in like some search engines in Google or Bing. If you just want to change your username, you actually don't have to deactivate your account. Edit it in your settings section. And to use your current username or email address with a different Twitter account, change them before you deactivate this account. If you want to download your Twitter data, you'll need to complete both the requests and the download process before deactivating your account. Links to download your data cannot be sent to deactivated accounts. Keep that stuff in mind. Thank you for tuning in.